shadows on the wall, the net full of hopes can't prove anything at all. Memory is beautiful, her flesh is not in front of me.
And this is how close they are. I mean, you know. See, there's crazy world. It's crazy. And
I don't know. Feels like a war zone.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Have you not? I mean, you are all around it a lot. So, but to, you know, you cannot work, you cannot function, you cannot think. I mean, feel it. It's coming up through the earth. If you put your hands on the, have you done that?
I could feel it in my feet.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking around and I'm going, where'd all the ants go? It was about 1 o'clock in the morning. I was awoken to this. It went on for months, and this is how close they were. I was sitting on my bed, and the reflection is of my lamp beside me, and you can see myself sitting on the bed as well. So it will give you a perspective of how close they actually were. Anyway, I have a great sense of humor. For most people, I do feel, when sharing this, they thought they didn't and could not understand how I stayed, why I didn't move, why I didn't leave. Well, it was just an experience, and I survived and made it through to tell this story. And I wish to help share this with others, to let them know and that no matter what we go through, the traumas and the dramas, we will always come out whole the other side, one way or another. People passing by, not having a clue as to what was happening so close to them on the other side of the fence. That was interesting to me. As I sat there, I was going through so much drama, yet I was so close to people passing by, living their lives, not having any idea. We've lost touch with nature. Where you look, there you are. Your reality awaits you. May we change direction.